Now, chapter 8, percentage and its applications. In this chapter, we are going to deal with some different topics. First of all, we are going to study how we can convert the percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage. Okay, here I will tell some examples. Converting the fractions into percentage. Okay, here for example, I am writing here, look, 9 by 25. This is a fraction. Numerator and denominator is there here. So if you want to convert this fraction into percentage, it's so simple. You have to do one thing, into 100. Understood? So if you want to convert a fraction into percentage, what you have to do? You have to multiply with 100. Clear? So we can cut 100 means 100 by 1 already. We know that one. We can cut these things. This denominator and numerator, and it will become 4. 4 25s are 25, 1 25s are 1. 9 into 4, it will become 36%. Understood? Now, we can, this is fraction into percentage. Now the same thing, this percentage we can convert into fraction. How? It is so simple. We have to understand, from fraction into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply with 100. If you want to convert the percentage into fraction, then you do one thing, divide with 100. Okay, here we are multiplying with 100. Now we are going to divide. For example, this same question, 36%. We have to find out the fraction. How we can find out 36? Already said we have to divide it with 100. Then it became, we can cut. If you will cut, you can cut with the 2, then 18 by 50, again we can cut with 2, then 9 by 25, again we can cut. No. So, if you want to convert the percentage into fraction, what you have to do? You have to divide with 100. If you want to convert the fractions into percentage, then what you have to do? You have to multiply with 100. Clear? Now directly we are moving to exercise 8.1, question number 1. The question is, we have to convert these fractions into percentage. Okay, this fraction into percentage. What do you have to do? We know that one. This is the first question, A. Question number 8.1. Question number 1, A and B. Two questions are there. We are going to do the first question, A. Okay, first question, A. What is the question? 4 by 5. This is the fraction. 4 by 5. This fraction we have to convert into percentage. We already know how we can convert. If you want to convert, do one thing, into 100. Sorry, if you want to convert into percentage, what you have to do? You have to multiply with 100. The fraction into 100, then you will get the percentage. Clear? Then this 5 and this 100 we can cut. 1 5s are 5 and 20 5s are 100. Okay. Then what is remaining thing here? 1 and 20 into 4, 80. Here 1 by 1 means 80. 80%. Clear? Again, 4 by 5 into 100, cutting with 5. 5 ones are 5 and 20 5s are 100. The remaining 2 into the numerator we can multiply. 20 into 4, 80. Then here 1 is there. We do not write here because divided by 1 means always that number. Okay. That's why we got 80%. Clear? Now the second question, B, 111 by 25. This is a number, this is a fraction. We have to convert this fraction into the percentage. Okay, into percentage. What do you have to do? We have to multiply with 100. 25 and 100 we can cut. 125 is 25 and 425 are 100. So this numerator and this numerator we can multiply. 111, that means 111 into 4 divide by this one. 100 means 100 by 1. Or we already know that one. 1 into 1, 1. If you can write, if you want to write like this, you can write. Otherwise, you don't want to write. You can directly write the numerator. Okay, which is equal to 4 4 4 divided by 1. That means 444%. Okay, you know why I wrote these steps for understanding. Okay, so 111 divided by 25 into 100, we will get 444%. 444 by 1 means the number, so 444. Clear? Exercise 8.1, question number 2. First question. The first question is, 8.1. Question number 2a. What you want to do in this question? They say when they already given the percentage, we have to convert this percentage into the what fraction. So this percentage into fraction. We already learned that one. If you want to convert 1% or a percentage into fraction, what we have to do? We have to divide with 100. Okay, the percentage divided by 100, then you will get the fraction. That means question number A here. That is 3%. I am rewriting the question. If you want to convert this percentage into fraction, what we want to do? We have to divide the number 3 by 100. Okay, it is 3 by 100. If we will divide, then we will get. We can't cut again this one, no? That means 3 by 100 will be the final answer. Why? Because we can't cut 3 and 100. That's right. And the next question is B. 195%. It's not 8, it's 195%. So I am rewriting the question here. So what's the question? 195%. So what do you have to do? We have to divide 195 divided by 100. Then what we have to do? We can cut the numbers. Okay, we can cut with 5. Then we will cut. Then what will happen? 3 5s are 15. Then 39. It will get, the numerator will get 39, and the denominator will get 20. If we can cut again, no, we can't cut. So this will be the final answer, and this will be the final answer. So 3%, 3 by 100, we can't cut. That's why we are writing 3 by 100. And 195%, we are converting into fraction, then we will get 39 by 20. Now, exercise 8.1, question number 3. What's the question? We have to convert the decimals into percentage. Last time we converted the fractions into percentage and those percentage into fraction also. Or vice versa we did. Okay. The same way we have to do the decimal into percentage, and the percentage we have to convert into decimal also. So we will check how we can do the things. So here the question the first question is already given 0.2. I am rewriting the question here 0.2. So if you want to convert any decimals into percentage, what do you want to do? If you want to convert any decimals into percentage, what do you want to do? You have to multiply with 100. The decimal is already given 0.2 into 100. So simple. You have to multiply with 100. 0.2 into 100, then you will get 20%. Understood? If you want to, I will multiply here 100 into 2. Okay. First of all, you have to imagine there is no point. Okay. Then you will get 200. Understand? Then after that, how many points? Here you check. Here 1 point is there. After that, 1 number is there. So 1 step, come back. Then you will get 20%. Now the next question. That means B. What is B? 45.6. That's the question. Okay. So what do you have to do? We have to convert this decimal into percentage. We already learned how we can convert. We have to multiply with 100. So 45 is here. 45.6 is here. I am writing the question into 100. Then you will get the percentage. Then what you understood? If you want to convert any decimals into percentage, what you have to do? You have to multiply with 100. That means 45.6 into 100, then you will get 4,560%. How we got? If you want to have doubt, if you can multiply, then you can multiply 45.6 means you have to take 456. When we will get the final answer, then we can take out the point. Okay. Now multiply with 0. 0, 0, 0. We are multiplying with 100. Okay. 0, 0, 0, and again 0, 0, 0. That means 0 into 6, 0 into 8, 0 into 6. Again the next number. Understood? Then finally 4, 5, 6. That means 1 into 456. Clear? Now this 0, and 6, 5, 4. Now the answer is 45,600. After the point here, one number is there. So one step come back, then you will get 4,560. Understood? This is a percentage. So 45.6 This is a decimal. We are converting into the percentage, and what we will get? We will get 4,560 percentage. Now we are going to deal exercise 8.4 question number 4. Sorry, 8.1 question number 4. That question is it's already given here 2%. That means 27% and 90%. And we're writing the questions here. Question number A is 27% and question number B is 90%. What do we have to do? We have to convert these percentage into decimal. We have to convert into decimal. We already learned how we can convert decimal to percentage. How we can convert? We have to multiply with 100. Now, vice versa. That means, okay, decimal to the percentage what we did into 100. Understood? If now they already they have given percentage. Now what you have to do? We have to convert it into decimal. Then what we have to do? Divide by 100. Okay. So the decimals to percentage into 100. We have done that things, and now the question is already the percentage is given. We have to find out how much the decimal. What is the decimal? Already the percentage is given. 27% we have to convert to decimal. Then what do you have to do? We have to divide with 100. So how we can do 27%? 27% what do you have to do? Divide with 100. If you will divide, then you will get 0.27. So the answer will be 0.27. So 27%, if we will convert into decimal, then what we will get? 0.27. Clear? And the next question, question number B. 90%. What's the next question? 90%. So here, this 90% percentage already given. We want to convert this percentage into the decimal. What do we have to do? This percentage we have to convert into decimal. For that we already learned divide with 100. Then this 0 will cut. Then 9 by 10. Then the final answer will be 0.9. So the decimal is 0.9 and here 0.27. Clear? Now the next question is 8.1, question number 5. Question number 5A. Okay. The question is 1:10. What do I have to do? This is the ratio. It's already given here. Ratio is given. We have to convert this ratio into percentage. So ratio into percentage. Okay. Then what do you have to do? We have to into 100. If you want to convert this ratio into percentage, what do you have to do? You have to multiply with 100. For that, so I am rewriting the question here. 1:10. So this 1:10 we can rewrite 1 by 10. Then it became like a fraction. Understood? So 1:10 we can write 1 by 10. And we can multiply with 100. Ratio into percentage. What do we have to do? We have to multiply with. That means this cross means it is into. Okay, multiplication. Multiply with 100. That means 1 by 10 into 100. Then you will get 10%. What will be the final answer? 10%. 1:10. How much percentage? 10%. The next question is B. 6:25. 6:25. First step, what do you have to do? We have to convert this ratio into fraction. That means 6 by 25. The first one will come denominator. The second one will come as the numerator. So you will get the fraction. Then what do you have to do? Into 100. Into 100. Then you will get, we can cut these two things. 125 is 25 and 4. 25 is 100. 6 into 4, 24%. Understood? Now, exercise 8.1, question number 6A. The question is, already the percentage is given here, we had to find out the ratio. So, we already learned in last question how to convert the ratio into percentage. How? The ratio into percentage for ratio before percentage, okay? What we did? We multiply with 100. Now, the vice versa. That means, from percentage into ratio, what we can do? Divide with 100. Okay. Ratio into percentage, you have to multiply with 100. And percentage into ratio, what do you have to do? You have to divide with 100. The same thing we are going to apply here. So here already given the percentage is given, we have to find out the ratio. For that, What we had to do? We had to divide with 100. So the first question is A. I'm rewriting the question 10%. Okay. So what we said? We have to 10 divided by 100. Understood? So percentage into fraction. What you have to do? Sorry, percentage into ratio. What you have to do? You have to divide with 100. Then you will get 10 is the question. 10 by 100. Then you will get this 0 will cut, and 1 by 10. That means 1 is to 10. Understood? Clear? So exercise 8.1 question number 5. What was the question? The question was 1 is to 10. That was the ratio. We convert this that ratio into percentage. Then we got 10%. You remember that one? The same way. Now we have 10%. If you are converting the 10% into ratio, then we will get 1 is to 10. Next question is 96%. 96%. How we can do? How we did this question? Same way we had to deal with this question also. So 96% means 96 divided by 100. Percentage into ratio divided by 100. So the percentage is 96 divided by 100. Then you will get, we can cut with 2, okay? If you cut with 2, then you will get 48 and 50. Again we can divide with 2. Then you will get 24, 25. Find the answer. 24 is to 25. It's 2. Understood? So, ratio to percentage into 100, percentage into ratio divided by 100. Thank you.